Hello, boys and girls. Today's story is called The Leaves on the Trees. Once I started reading this book, I realized it's written like a song. So guess what? We're going to sing it today instead of just read it. I hope you enjoy. The Leaves on the Trees, written by Thom Wiley, illustrated by Andrew Day. The leaves on the trees are falling down, falling down, falling down. The leaves on the trees are falling down. Autumn is here. The sweet gum leaves turn orange and red, orange and red, orange and red. The sweet gum leaves turn orange and red. Autumn is here. The tulip leaves turn green to gold, green to gold, green to gold. The tulip leaves turn green to gold. Autumn is here. The ginkgo leaves are shaped like fans, shaped like fans, shaped like fans. The ginkgo leaves are shaped like fans. Autumn is here. The maple leaves are colorful, colorful, colorful. The maple leaves are colorful. Autumn is here. The linden leaves are shaped like hearts, shaped like hearts, shaped like hearts. The linden leaves are shaped like hearts. Autumn is here. The ash tree branch has tiny leaves, tiny leaves, tiny leaves. The ash tree branch has tiny leaves. Autumn is here. The hickory leaves float on the pond, on the pond, on the pond. The hickory leaves float on the pond. Autumn is here. The sassafras leaves look like dinosaur tracks, dinosaur tracks, dinosaur tracks. The sassafras leaves look like dinosaur tracks. Autumn is here. The birch leaves glow a bright yellow, bright yellow, bright yellow. The birch leaves glow a bright yellow. Autumn is here. Autumn is here. Thank you for joining me today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our story song, and I hope you were able to sing along a little bit. Bye-bye for now. We'll see you again soon.